Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make champagne vinaigrette dressing. Start by whisking 3 tablespoons champagne vinegar with 1 tsp Dijon, 1 tsp honey, and a pinch of salt until combined. Slowly drizzle in 1/3 cup olive oil while whisking to emulsify. Taste and adjust acidity or sweetness with more vinegar or honey. Use immediately or chill briefly to let flavors meld before serving on greens. And champagne vinaigrette needs just a few simple ingredients, and they make all the difference. Use 3 tablespoons champagne vinegar, 1 tsp Dijon, 1 tsp honey, and a pinch of salt. Choose a neutral or fruity olive oil for balance and use fresh Dijon when possible. If you prefer a richer texture, swap half the olive oil for a mild oil like avocado. Always taste and tweak to suit your greens and palate. Emulsification is what gives champagne vinaigrette its smooth, glossy texture, and you have options. Whisk vigorously in a bowl while slowly adding oil for the classic method. Use a jar and shake hard for a quick, portable dressing. An immersion blender makes a silky, stable emulsion in seconds with the oil added slowly. Resting the dressing for a few minutes helps flavors marry, and re-whisk briefly before serving if separated.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.